Hey there, scene, a bustling bank lobby. People are lined up, waiting impatiently. A frustrated customer exclaims, "I just need to know my Monzo number." Hook. Have you ever found yourself in a similar situation, desperately trying to remember your Monzo number? Or maybe you've been asked for it and had no idea what it was. Well, you're not alone. Context. Cut to a shot of a person holding a Monzo card. Monzo, with its sleek interface and innovative features, has become a popular choice for many. But when it comes to finding your Monzo number, it might not be as straightforward as you'd think. The mystery of the Monzo number. Show a montage of people looking confused or frustrated while trying to find their Monzo number. The Monzo number, often referred to as your account number or sort code, is a unique identifier that links your account to the wider banking system. It's essential for various transactions, from making payments to setting up direct debits. Where to find your Monzo number? Cut to a shot of a person looking at their Monzo app. So, where exactly can you find this elusive number? The most common place is within your Monzo app. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Monzo app, launch the app on your smartphone. Navigate to Account Details, look for a section labeled Account Details or something similar. Locate the number. Your Monzo number will be displayed prominently, often accompanied by your sort code. Show a visual demonstration of the steps on a smartphone. Additional tips. Cut to a shot of a person looking at a piece of paper. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can also find your Monzo number on your physical Monzo card. It's usually printed on the front, near your name and card details. Show a close-up of a Monzo card highlighting the number. For those who might forget their app password or lose their card, Monzo offers a secure way to retrieve your account details. You can contact their customer support team, who can provide you with the necessary information. The importance of knowing your Monzo number. Cut to a montage of different scenarios where a Monzo number is needed. Knowing your Monzo number is crucial for various reasons. It's required for online banking, setting up direct debits or standing orders, and even transferring money to other accounts. Without it, you'll find yourself facing significant inconvenience. Security considerations. Cut to a shot of a person looking concerned about security. While it's important to know your Monzo number, it's equally important to protect it. Never share your account details with anyone you don't know or trust. Be wary of phishing scams and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Conclusion. Return to the original scene of the crowded bank lobby. So, the next time someone asks you for your Monzo number, you'll be well prepared. Remember, it's a simple matter of accessing your app or checking your card. By understanding its importance and taking necessary security precautions, you can make the most of your Monzo experience. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.